Here's some more parking deck elevators that serve the Terminal 3 garage at the Toronto Pearson International Airport, Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Let's go down. Just taking one ride on this one. Generic chime. Let's get a view. Going down. Let's go down to terminal. P5. Here on P5. Actually, this is US85, my bad. Terminal. Look at those buttons, they are ginormous. Here's a cat view. Pretty nice cabs. Scope to P5. See the train tracks over there. Go down to P2. Just hold down. It beeps. No phone in here. Is this? Oh no, this is P. We are? What floor?
Which one is arrival? We'll see, we can just go up and down.
Arrival terminal?
I'm getting off here. There it goes. That's gonna be it.